Now practice set 55. The height of 30 children in a class is given in centimeters. Draw up a frequency table of this data. Now here the height of 30 children is given in centimeters. You have to draw the frequency table for this data. So here we will make three columns. The first will be of height, the second will be of tally marks, the third will be of frequency or total number of children. Now here you will see the smallest height is 131 and the biggest height you can see here is 140. So we will start writing the height from 131 up to 140 in ascending order. That is 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139 and 140. Now after writing the height in ascending order, we will start putting the tally marks for them. So again we will start reading the scores and we will strike off the score as we make the tally mark. Here the first score is 131. So we will make one tally mark for 131 in front of it in the second column of tally marks. Then the second score is 135. So make one tally mark in front of 135 in the second column. Then the next score is 140. Make one score for 140 in front of 140 in the second column. Then 138, make one tally mark again for 138 in front of it. Then 132, again make one tally mark for 132. Then 133, make one tally mark for 133 in the column, in the second column in front of 133. In this way, likewise, you will put the tally mark for each and every number in the second column for the given score. Now, after putting the tally mark, we will count the number of tally marks. Here there are 3 tally marks, so the frequency is 3. Here, that is 3 children's height is 131 centimeter. Then, in the second row, here there are 3 tally marks, therefore, the frequency is 3. That is, 3 children's height is 132 centimeter. Then here there are 5 tally marks, therefore, we will write here 5 as the frequency, that is 5 children's height is 133 centimeter. Then 3 tally marks are there, so the frequency is 3. Here again 3 tally marks are there, so frequency is 3. Now 2 tally marks, so frequency is 2. Now 2 tally marks again, so the frequency is 2. 1 tally mark represent frequency as 1. Here there are 3 tally marks, therefore the frequency is 3. And here there are 5 tally marks, therefore the frequency is 5. Now count the total number of frequency here. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. 17 plus 2 is 19. 19 plus 2 is 21. Plus 1 is 22. Plus 3 is 25. Plus 5 is 30. That is total frequency. It is capital N is equal to 30. Then second example. In a certain colony, there are 50 families. The number of people in every family is given below. Draw up the frequency table. Now children, here information about number of people in 50 families is given. So here first we will make the column of people, number of people in one family, then tally marks and then frequency or number of families. So here what is the minimum number of member in one family? It is 1. And the maximum number of member in one family is 5. So we will write 1 up to 5 in ascending order. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will look at the given data. Now here in this data, here the numbers are given from 1 to 5. So we will make the tally marks for the given score. Now here we will start from 5. As 5 is the first score, we will put one tally mark for 5 in front of 5 in the second column. Now the second score is 4. So put one tally mark for 4 in front of 4 in the second column. Then again here 5 is appearing. So make one more tally mark for 5. So here there will be 2 tally marks for 5 now. Here the next score is 4. So put one tally mark for 4. So you will get the second tally mark of 4. Then again 5 is appearing. So make one more tally mark for 5. Then here The next score is 3, so make one tally mark for 3. As you make the tally marks, you have to strike off the given numbers. Now here 3 appears more 2 times, so we will make 2 more tally marks for 3. Then again 4 appears, so make one more tally mark for 4. Likewise, you will go on reading the scores and you will put the tally marks for each and every score in the given data in the second column in front of that specific score. Now after putting the tally marks, we will now count the number of tally marks. Now here in the first row it is only one tally mark, therefore the frequency is 1. Now here there are 5, 10 and 3. 13 tally marks are there, therefore the frequency is 13. Now here 5, 10, 15 and 1. 16 tally marks are there, therefore the frequency is 16. Then 5, 10 and 3. 13 is the frequency here where there are 4 members in a family. Now 5 plus 2 is 7, that is there are 7 families where there are 5 members in one family. Now we will count the number of families. 13 plus 1 is 14. 14 plus 16 is 30. 30 plus 13 is 43. 43 plus 7 is 50. That is in all in 50. Here the total frequency is 50. That is capital N is equal to 50. That is that if you will look in the given information, the information is given about 50 families that we have got here. Now example number 3. A dice was cast 40 times and each score noted is given below. Draw up a frequency table for this data. Now children, here the dice was casted 40 times and each score noted is given below. Here the score that appeared on the top surface is noted here. You have to draw the frequency table for this data. We know that there are numbers from 1 to 6 given on the dice. So here we will write the number given on the surface, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the score that is given on the dice. After writing it, we will make the second column of tally marks and the third column of frequency. Now we will start reading the scores and we will start putting the tally marks for the given score. Now here 3 is the first score, so we will make one tally mark for 3. Then the next score is 2, make one tally mark for 2 in front of 2 in the column of tally marks. Then the next score is 5, so make one tally mark for 5 in front of 5 in the second column of tally marks. Then the next score is 6, make one tally mark for 6 in front of 6 in the second column, that is in the column of tally marks. Then the next score is 4, then make one more tally mark for 4 in the second column in front of tally mark, in the column of tally marks. Likewise, you will read the scores and make the tally marks for the given data. Now here, after putting all the tally marks, we will count the number of tally marks. Here there are 2 tally marks, therefore the frequency is 2. That is 1 appeared 2 times on the top surface of the dice. Here 5 plus 3 is 8. That is 2 appeared 8 times on the top surface of the dice. Then here 5, 10 and 3, 13. That is here 3 appeared 13 times on the top surface of the dice. Now here 5 plus 3 is 8. Here therefore the frequency is 8. Here it is 5 and now the frequency is 4. So in this way you will count the tally marks and you will write the frequency for every score. Now we will add the frequency. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 13 is 23. 23 plus 8 is 31. 31 plus 5 is 36. 36 plus 4 is 40. Hence, the total frequency, that is capital N, is equal to 40, which is equal to the number of times the dice was cast. Now, last example of this practice set. The number of chapatis that 30 children in a hostel need at every meal is given below. Make a frequency table for these scores. Now, we have seen that in a hostel where the children eat food or where they take the food, they have seen the number of chapatis that were taken by 30 children. every day or every meal is given here. Now here the number of chapatis that 30 children in a hostel need at every meal is given below. So we have to make the frequency table for these scores. So what is given here? These are the number of chapatis, that is the score is number of chapatis. Here the second column will be of telemarks and third will be of frequency or number of children. Now here what is the minimum number of chapatis that children take? Here it is 2. And what is the maximum number of chapati? It is 5. So we will write the score from 2 to 5 in ascending order, that is 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will start reading the score and we will start putting the tally mark for each score. Here the first score is 3, so we will put one tally mark for 3 and we will strike off 3. Then the second score is 2, so we will put one tally mark for 2 and we will strike off 2. Then the third score is again 2, so we will put one more tally mark for 2 and we will strike off this 2. Then the next tally mark is 3, so we will put one tally mark for 3 and we will strike off 3. Then the next score is 4, we will put one tally mark for 4 and we will strike off 4. Likewise, we will put the tally mark for the remaining scores. After putting the tally mark, we will now count them. Here 5 plus 4, it is 9, that is 9 children take 2 chapatis in every meal. Then here 5 plus 5 is 10, therefore the frequency is 10. Here 5 plus 3 is 8, the frequency is 8. And here 3, the frequency is 3. Now we will count the number of children, that is we will see the total frequency. 9 plus 10 is 19, 19 plus 8 is 27, 27 plus 3 is 30. That is total frequency is 30, that is capital N is equal to 30. We will find it here, that is the number of children is 30, that is equal to the total frequency. Children, here we have completed with practice set 55. So children, from all the above examples that we have seen, we find that the average is a useful figure in the study of all branches of science, including medicine, geography, economics, social science, etc. That application you will see in higher classes where you will make the frequency table. Also, you will find average using the frequency table. Now, miscellaneous problems set 2. Here, only one question is given based on this lesson in miscellaneous problem set 2. It is the first example given in multiple choice questions. Choose the right answers from the options given for each of the following questions. If the average of numbers 33, 34, 35x, 37, 38, 39 is 36, what is the value of x? Now children, it is given that the average of these numbers is 36. Among these numbers, the one number is unknown. You have to find this unknown number. Now according to the given condition, average of these numbers is 36. That is, if we add all these numbers and divide it by the total number of numbers, we will get 36. That is, sum of all observations upon total number of observations is 36. Sum of all observations is 33 plus 34 plus 35 plus x plus 37 plus 38 plus 39 upon 7 is equal to 36. Now after adding these numbers, the sum you will get here is 216. 216 plus x upon 7 is equal to 36. Now here 7 is in division, on the other side it will come in multiplication. So we will multiply 7 with 36, we will get 252. And 216 plus x, that the numerator will remain as it is. Now as you have to find the value of x, here 216 is in addition, on the other side it will come in subtraction, that is 252 minus 216, you will get it as 36. Therefore x is equal to 36. Hence the correct answer is option number 4, that is 36. Children, here we have completed our syllabus. You all have to complete your copies till here. Thank you.